it's Friday the 31st, end of the month, end of the week. I'm just going to make a quick video and explain something that ICT said, which was very valuable in my opinion. So I'll just put it up here so I can save it for myself. So price from here, this area here, we look at it, is a consequent encouragement of this wick. Okay, so price is pushing up, taps into this, could it pull back down into this opening range? Well, we probably see that. Or is it going to go to this volume imbalance and this buy side liquidity? Okay, so that's what that dashed line is. So price from here gets to around here. This is the 10 o'clock, so silver bullet hour, as ICT says. So it pushes up, drops lower, takes out market structure shift, has a fair value gap here, price pulls back up. It didn't break this low that ICT said he's not as confident with, but pulls back into this, and so say your entry was here, your stops just above here or there. Once price closes above this fair value gap, then you should sort of just get out of the trade. That's your first what was the word? That's the first like realization that price isn't gonna drop and it's not finished going up. So once it closes above there, the next candle pushes above and breaks a new high. Once that happens, get out of the trade, because price doesn't want to drop there, and you're wrong. What price usually does is it tap into it and then drop. If it doesn't do that, then you're basically wrong and you want to get out of the trade. There's no point of waiting to get stopped out. So what price does then is it breaks above, retests this as support nicely, literally to the pip, to the T, pushes up. Okay, so this is the draw liquidity now, and if I draw a fib from here to here, I would be waiting for price to pull back potentially into this order block, or this fair value gap here. However, if you draw from this push, or you can draw from that push, from here to where price wants to go, so this buy side liquidity and volume imbalance, then price is trading inside this equilibrium here. So even this here, there's a volume imbalance here. Any of this could have been a potential entry if you wanted to enter, because it's in a discount and it's in an equilibrium. After this, so that any of this fair value gap here, volume imbalance, pushes away, and now you shouldn't get into any because it's not in a discount. Let me just get the 75% up quickly. I'll do that. Here, and 25% should be. Let's get this one. Should be that. Okay, so this is 75% of the way here. That's 50%. That's a quarter. So as it gets to this 25%, it's pushing up. Price shouldn't go for sell side now. It should accelerate to the target. So price just taps into this order block and this volume imbalance before accelerating into that target. It shouldn't aim for sell side, which is down here. It's not an entry because it's not in a discount, but it shouldn't head for sell side. It should accelerate. So that's what price did. And also as well, price, where price is, say price is trading here for now, trading down, you use the last 3 PD arrays as your defense. So there's one there, there's one there, and there's one here. So there. If price closes below this, then if you're long from down here, you should either take half, move stops, break even, or just come out of the market, come out of the trade, because if price closes below this, then it could be potential reversal. Not all the time, but most of the some of the times, if you don't take trade out, then you'll get stopped out. You'd rather take half, move to break even, and it runs lower than running higher and you miss the trade. like not more times not, it will come back to your to your entry than run. So yeah, again over here, where price trading here, there's an order block, there's a volume imbalance, and there's another volume imbalance there. Doesn't close anywhere below, so that's showing that it's support. So if you're long from down here and it's pulling back, then there's no need to be taken out of the market, or no need to be worried about this pullback, because it's showing support at this PD right here. So yeah, there's no reason for it to get out of this, and it's just going to run into this target. So yeah, that's what I learned from ICT.